Do you want to know the truth about making money on YouTube? Well, that's what I'm here to talk to you about today. The truth about making money on YouTube. Hi, my name is Les Puryear, and I have been on YouTube since 2006. And so, with the benefit of my 20 years of experience on YouTube, I thought it was time that we talked about the truth about making money on YouTube. This is such an important topic that I've got me a script right here that I want to make sure that whatever I say is absolutely correct. So I'm not going to try to off the cuff it like I'm doing right this minute. And I'm going to be using a script. And if you don't like that, well, I'm just sorry. But I just want to make sure that I give you all of the information that I've been able to research and to gather about the truth about making money on YouTube. You have seen this video perhaps 100 times. A young man leans back in a leather chair and he turns his laptop toward the camera. And there it is, the number, $40,000, 1 month. And I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, he says, smiling that easy smile. Anybody can do this. Anybody. Hold on to that word. We're going to come back to it. They are everywhere, these videos. How I made 6 figures on YouTube. I quit my job in 90 days. The faceless channel that prints money while you sleep. They show you the dashboards, the graphs climbing like a staircase to heaven, the screenshots of bank deposits blurred just enough to make you lean in. And they are not lying exactly. That money is real for them. The question nobody thinks to ask is, for how many others? Well, here's the first thing that they don't tell you. You are only ever shown the winners. The man who tried and earned nothing does not make a video about that. He simply closes his laptop and goes back to his day. So the whole picture you are handed, every success story stacked upon success story, is built from a rare few who made it, and silent about the millions who did not. Consider this too. The fellow teaching you about how to strike it rich on YouTube, how do you suppose he is making his money? Often is not by selling you the lessons on how to make money on YouTube. So let's do something those videos never do. Let us look at the whole field, not the winner circle, the whole field. There are, at last count, more than 500 million channels on YouTube. 500 million. Now, to earn a single dollar of advertising money, a channel must first pass through a gate. 1,000 subscribers. 4,000 hours of watch time in a single year. It sounds modest. It is not. Most channels never reach it. They post a handful of videos into the dark, and the views never come. The subscribers never arrive. And quietly, the channel goes still. Of those 500 million channels, how many have made it through the gate? How many earn anything at all? Well, according to the statistics, about 3 million. 3 million out of 500 million, which means, and let this one land roughly, 99.5% of every channel ever created earns nothing. Not a dollar, not a dime, not a single cent. 99.5% of all the channels earn nothing. And the fortunate few who do get through, well, even there the picture is humble. The channel right in the middle of the pack earns somewhere around $4,800 a year. Not a month, a year. Now the very top, yes, earn fortunes. But the man in the leather chair with his $40,000 a month, he is not the rule. He is not even the exception. He is the lottery ticket they are selling you, held up to the camera so you'll buy a ticket of your own. We like to imagine it as a ladder, that if we only climb hard enough and long enough, the money waits at the top for anyone willing to reach it. But it was never a ladder. It is a lottery with a very long line. And no amount of wanting changes the odds at the window. Now let me tell you something I've never said out loud on this channel. I'm going to tell you my number. I have been at this, as I said earlier, since 2006, 20 years. And I have posted 897 videos. Scripts written at the kitchen table, late nights when the house has been quiet, learning what a thumbnail was, watch time trying to figure that out, why one video does well and another video doesn't. Years of it. And my channel is the type of channel that the experts tell you not to create. I don't focus on one specific niche. I post a lot of different kind of videos. History, guitar lessons, lyric videos, how-to tech videos, and whatever else strikes me that I think my audience might like. It took me several years, but I finally got monetized. I put up about 2 or 3 videos per week. That's what I have done and am doing right now. Many of those videos, probably the majority of those videos, have less than 100 views. Most of my videos really don't go viral. But a few do pretty good. I've never had a 1 million view video. I've had a couple of 200,000 view videos and quite a number of 50,000 view videos. And after 20 years of doing this, I make about $1,000 per year. $1,000. Not a month, a year. I know. It is not a leather chair number, but stay with me, because here is the part that surprised even me. That modest $1,000 a year places me, by the very arithmetic we just walked through, in the top 1% of every channel ever started. The 99th percentile is where I am about what I'm making on YouTube. Better than 99 out of 100 people who ever opened a channel and pressed upload. Not because $1,000 is a fortune, heaven knows it isn't. I can't quit my day job, but because nearly everyone else makes nothing at all. The bar is not high, friend. The field is simply that thin. So when somebody tells you that anybody can do this, that the money's just sitting there waiting on the willing, you understand now what they leave out. Most people who start a channel will never be paid 1 cent. The great many who dream of laying down their job to make videos for a living will never get to do that. And that is no failure of theirs. It is not laziness nor lack of heart. It is simply the arithmetic of the place. Now, does that mean don't begin? Don't start a channel? No. It means begin with your eyes open. Make your videos because you have something worth saying, because the work itself is good and honest, because somewhere out there a few souls will be glad that you did, and a few may be all that you ever get, and a few may be enough. The money, should it come, will be a small and welcome surprise. Never the reason. The men in the leather chairs are selling you a number. I would rather hand you the truth and let you decide what to do with it.